Eco-friendly carpet cleaning, Milwaukie, Oregon. Phase 1 is the dry debris removal. We go through with our Curry vacuum cleaner, adequately situated for the carpet height for maximum airflow, vacuum, suction, and all that good stuff. And we get as much dry debris out of the carpeting as possible. In fact, up to 80% of the dry debris is removed during a good vacuuming. So if your current carpet cleaner is not pre-vacuuming the carpets, shame on him, and you should probably go look for one that does. Eco-friendly carpet cleaning, Milwaukie, Oregon. We're moving into phase 2. Phase 2 is the application of our organic pre-spray that we're going to be putting down everywhere. Now this pre-spray is very mild and gentle and safe for family pets, small children, and all that good stuff. Tough on dirt, good on the earth. Pretty awesome. So basically what it is, it's a cleaning grade baking soda with some hydrogen peroxide, so it's very safe, very green, very gentle. It all dries up and basically neutralizes, deodorizes, neutralizes, and sanitizes all the carpeting so that a baby can roll around and play on the carpets, and you don't have to be concerned about any of the bacteria or other nasties that are in the carpet, because this stuff takes care of all of that. And then once again, it is completely safe and gentle, so it's not going to cause any skin irritations or anything like that. So this is very good stuff, especially for those that are dealing with respiratory issues or are sensitive to harsh chemicals. This stuff is very safe and very green. So as far as a green carpet cleaning alternative, the products that I'm using are extremely green in that sense. Additionally, we're dealing with the dog in this place, so we add a little bit of a crystallizing agent that's geared towards grease and that sort of stuff, that will be oils from the dog's paws or skin, or even attacking the proteins that are attached to the hair follicles. It'll take care of that as well. However, that stuff too, again, is very organic and 99.7% biodegradable, made from plant matter and all that good stuff, renewable sources. Again, very eco-friendly, very happy and safe for the earth. Organic carpet cleaning, Milwaukie, Oregon. Moving into phase 3. Now phase 3 is going to be our agitation process that we go through. This particular machine here is called a cylindrical brush machine, also known as a counter rotating brush machine with those brushes down there. And for short in the industry, it's also known as a CRB, so that might be the easiest way to call it. But anyways, as you can see, it's got this rotating brush down there. I'm going to set it up on its side so you can see underneath it. It actually has 2 counter rotating brushes on there. So as those wheels are spinning, it's very gently uplifting on the piling of the carpet, and it's taking that pre-spray that we put down in phase 2, and it's agitating the carpet, loosening dirt, obliterating soils, eliminating odors, all that good stuff. Additionally, what it's also doing, it's pulling up any matted hair or lint that's stuck to the carpet like Velcro. So in those cases, your vacuum cleaner is not getting it out. Steam cleaning most likely is not going to get out. It'll get out some of it, but this is able to lift out a whole bunch. So if you do have an animal, this is very far superior to cleaning. Technically, a very good vacuum will get some of it out, but this machine here is still capable of getting a lot more out just because of the way it's designed and how it's what it's capable of doing. So we're going to go through this room and give it a good scrub out and get it all prepared and ready to go, and allow that chemical to dwell and continue loosening and breaking down any residue and things like that that might be in the carpeting. Eco-friendly carpet cleaning, Milwaukie, Oregon. Now this is the fourth and final phase of the cleaning process of our organic cleaning process. So what we're going to go ahead and do is, we got the lines and hose running out to our truck. We got the water up to about 250 degrees, and we're going to go ahead and give this a steam out.